Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. And this is this guy right here. I'm going to be making a video on this right now to show you guys how YouTube and Netflix works, alright? Without jailbreaking your iPhone and risking all the stuff on your iPhone and your Samsung, all that kind of stuff. Some of you guys actually have a Samsung. I'm not sure if that could be jailbroken. But yeah, the link is going to be in the description below for this. Make sure you guys use the discount code RLM15. Get 15% off. And yeah, if you're gonna purchase something else on the website as well, besides this, and you're gonna buy this as well, make sure you do a separate purchase for this, because this is pre-order. And yeah, going forward with this, open the box. You got the manual in there, pretty simple. You got the cable with it, plug and play. That's the best part. You also have GPS on that, so the wiring is optional. I'm not into so many wires like that, so I use Waze most of the time on my own phone, so I don't have to worry about plugging this stuff in. This is optional. You don't have to do it, and I suggest don't do it. Just otherwise you're gonna have wires running around this whole area, and you don't want that. But if you can do it yourself, go for it, or have a shop do it for you. But this video is gonna be basically on YouTube and Netflix, and also this module will have the ability to use music and also phone, receive calls, also make phone calls using this as well, which is great. So let's go start up the accessories. And yeah, that sound, it got a bit louder now, right, from before. Put the manual away, and let me just go ahead and let me connect this real quick. I'll be right back. All right, back to you guys. I just went ahead, connected the Type-C in the back, and just gonna connect this. If you have wireless CarPlay in your record, make sure to disconnect it. You don't have to turn off your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, because you're gonna need a hotspot for this, or you can have anything from you know, those extra separate ones you pay like 10-20 bucks a month, like from AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, whatever your carrier is. Have that, but you would just go to settings and smartphone connections and click on yours and disconnect it, so this way you're not connected with your wireless CarPlay. If you don't have wireless CarPlay, you're good to go. Just connect that USB right there, and you got some flashing right there. That means it's being connected. And after that, it should start having that breathing effect. See that? And that means give it like a few seconds and it should pop up there. And then just press yes. Focus on that. Look at that breathing effect. But all right, there you have it. You might have something that pop up saying agree and continue. If you have a glitch, just unplug it and plug it again. That should fix it. And as you can see, my Bluetooth is connected right there, and the Wi-Fi is not. So I already have a hotspot already, so I'm gonna connect it there. And once that's connected, I'll show you that YouTube and Netflix. But let me go over this real quick. The Bluetooth phone, this is where you can tap into your dialing or your phone book address so you can make a call. Or the Bluetooth music, where you can read your music stuff that's on your phone. CarPlay didn't seem to work for me, which is perfectly fine. It's okay. You have Google Play to download other apps that might be compatible. You got different themes. But I just use this mostly for YouTube and Netflix, honestly. And this button will throw you back on the OEM screen. So, or if you press home, that works too. But if you're in setting or something like that, that's where you can fix everything like that from there. This is the home button right here, and that's YouTube right there. So let me go connect to my Wi-Fi real quick, and I'll get back. All right, perfect. So as I got connected to my Wi-Fi, everything got fixed on its own, the timing and everything like that. And click on YouTube. I think I had a pop-up here. That's how it's gonna work actually, but it says update your app because fresh off the box, it got updated. It's not updated yet. It's got updates. Once you press update, it's going to take you to just sign in with your pretty much email, and then that would update the software. And I'm going to go do mine real quick, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so once you guys are signed in and everything, pretty much it's updating now, as you can see. And then same thing would go for the Netflix app as well. And once this is done, we'll give it a try again. And go ahead and open it. It's done. That's it. Pretty much, of course, you could refresh. But yeah, search is right there. Now, so right when searching, look at that. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel right there. Check it out. That's my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. So that's that. And yeah, for example, let's go for a music video. So search right there, and we'll just search in, I'll just put in EDM mix search. So yep, that's that, guys. Check it out. It's that simple. That is gonna play The Good Life. Oh, the best part is it's great, but I'm gonna bring it down so I don't get copyrights. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's how it's done. There's a tab, and this tiny thing right here, you can move it around anywhere you like. So when you click it, you see the home button, that back button, stuff like that. So push it in the corner. So that's that, guys. If this video was helpful for you guys, comment below, and like I said, link in the description below. And follow both of my IGs. I would appreciate that. Subscribe, like, share, and that's about it, fam. See you guys until next time. Peace out.